Phil Stacy reporting from KMJ 92. There's been an app called Flappy Bird that's just terrorizing the nation. It causes adults and children to be frustrated, irritated, and have severe rage. Let's go to a clip of a Floppy Bird user.
Manure.
Okay. Sorry, what was the question? Oh, Floppy Bird? It's been life-changing. I don't have much of a social life after downloading it. I lost my job at the DMV for my lines being too slow, and I then got a job with Caltrans, but I lost that job somehow for not doing anything. My family doesn't support my habit, and I haven't left my room